Greetings, my name is Amunemhat,
And my name is Amunemhat.
and for today's video we're going to be carving pumpkins. So first things first, we're going to cut off the top stem of the pumpkin. Okay, there we go. Now that we have the tops off, we're going to just rip the insides out and put it in the bowl. Okay, now that we've taken the insides outside the pumpkin, we're going to carve on the outside of the pumpkin. So what are you carving?
An oak tree.
Me as well.
Ah!
Okay, so we have a pin and we have a Sharpie. We're going to trace it with the pin and then we're going to draw it with the Sharpie. Okay, now that we're done drawing it, we're going to carve it. Okay, so now we're both done carving and we're going to reveal our ensuite.
Don't judge me.
It's still good. It turned into an onk, but it's still good. Okay, so we decided that we're also going to carve the unity symbol. Okay, now time for the reveal. So it's two-sided. I think that looks nice. Okay, now that we're done carving both sides, we're going to add the candles, put on the top, and turn off the lights. Okay, lights off, please. Okay, and this is how it looks in the dark. This is the ensuite side. And this is the unity symbol side. Okay, so that concludes this video. Farewell.